here. Okay, hello everybody. My name is Bunnyz, and today we are playing Lollipop Chainsaw. This is a game I just bought, I just bought for my sister only, but for some reason I played it all in one night, and it was actually easy, plus it was like an arcade game, so of course it was easy. But it's just some levels that get me aggravated too much. So, let's back it up here. Hope y'all can see well. Hope y'all can see everything. This is all I can do because it's on my phone, so whatever. Let's change our costume when we get in. Let's do it. No, I would not. Alright. Costume.
Let's go!
Alright, so I don't know where it starts. Since I beat the whole game, it wouldn't be a surprise to me, so let's start here. And yeah, let's start. It would be nice if I never played this game.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Seriously? Dude. The hell? And on my birthday, too. Like I'm not already late enough. Gross. Stupid. I'm dead. Douchebag. This is so irritating.
Yeah, I guess. Alright, so as you can see, I completed the game, so I got like extra costumes. This one is from I forgot what it's called. High School of the Dead, HSD, or High School of HSOCD. That's what it's called for like abbreviation. So this is Nico's or Hikaru's outfit. The girl that has the samurai sword, that's her outfit. And basically I'm just gonna, I guess, play through all the levels. So this is gonna be an hour video. It's gonna play the whole first chapter. So let's get down to it. Killing some zombies, that's all. I'm sorry if my reactions won't be, I'll still have difficulty playing this game.
Jeez, it sucks when things explode.
Because
I need to find Nick.
okay, that's called sparkle hunting. Sparkle hunting is get you, I think, silver coins if you do enough. If you got, I never done this, but if you got like 7, then you'll get a lot of silver coins that will get you cool costumes and music and art. So yeah, so I already have like all the combos. So I can. Okay, I forgot how to grab. Oh, that's it. X and B. Okay, I got it. So just smashing some zombie heads, I guess. Oh well. Alright, there we go. And there we go. Oh, well, there she goes. She's dead now, so I nothing to do about that.
Hold it right there, you zombie jerk.
Okay, I should say, if you save a fellow high school student, then you can get golden coins off of them when you save them.
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Like that.
Zombie medal.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
But the downside, there's a good ending and a bad ending. I already unlocked the bad ending, so I'm not going to spoil how you get the good or the bad ending, so I'm not going to say anything of that. But basically, this is blind to you because you probably never played this game, or you just want to see this game played again. And I'm sorry, I'm not an expert or a good expert on camera work or YouTube camera work, so you got to deal with what you get. So one of my friends are online.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your teeth.
Oh, great. This isn't going to be as easy as I thought.
Anyway,
Hey,
I support
don't be looking at my shirt.
everybody out there for watching my videos from around the world, from like Sweden to Japan to the United States. Huh? No, I didn't buy a mouse. The mouse. Anyway, let's go save her.
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
So this game doesn't really get interesting until you go to, I guess, the half level of the game. But I guess it looks interesting right now. I personally wasn't going to buy this game for myself because I thought it was pointless. Then my sister wanted it, so I just bought it for her, and yet I began to play it. Because I had nothing else better to do.
Wait, need one more. I got it. All right.
So, if any of you was wondering who that was in the background, that was my mom, if you want to know.
We gotta live in a maze.
And crash. Okay, this game, I should warn you, this game has like, I think you already know, it has like really, really bad language in it, and there's like, it's not like cursing right and left, it's just like cursing sometimes and like out of nowhere another curse and out of nowhere. It's like when you least expect it, so just warning you. But if you want to see the gameplay in action and just like, hey, it's up to you, whatever. Okay. Okay, I forgot some combos that gets me sparkle hunting, so I'm probably going to practice them before I save this dude. Last time, he almost died on me.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
Good for you, bro. All my Zelekians out there, if you like this, if you like this game,
Well, we got these ones.
well, you're good, so I guess if you like it, I don't know. But, comment below if you like, you know, I recommend, I don't like really recommend, if you like these zombie killing games that have an arcade aspect to them, then I would totally recommend it to you. You would like it. And No, it was never like mentioned that much in the reviews or in the commercial. The only time I saw it was on Xbox 360 when it was talking about Lollipop Chainsaw. And then out of nowhere on YouTube, people started posting it like a year later. So it was like 4 or 3 years I heard about Lollipop Chainsaw, but whenever I started actually getting a lot of views on YouTube, that's when Lollipop Chainsaw came. And like I said, if you like arcade aspect of video games, then you'll love this. It's also on the weird or loopy side, but as for the comedy, it's nice. I'm trying to get sparkle hunting here. There we go. I sometimes get more than 3, sometimes 6. I was like so happy because because one of the achievements are to get 7 on hits on sparkle hunting, and I came so close. This horde of zombies came over me. I came so close to it, but then I kind of failed because one of the zombies were like lurking somewhere. So whatever, you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, and there's gonna be quick time events. Anyway, the stars actually power up your meter over there, and crap. And I'll show you what that does in a minute. When I get to like a huge part of zombies, like a swarm of them, I will show you what it looks like. Show you what you'll probably remember. You probably remember some of the. It has a song in there. I don't know if that's.
Glad you made it, pilot dude.
I don't know if that's copyright or not, but I'm just gonna hope for the best. And if YouTube says it's copyright, then I'll say okay. I'll turn down the volume on this. So.
Get off me, you bastard! Oh shit!
Because the only thing that...
He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
And here's a fun feature that everyone should have in their chainsaws.
Just a second.
In the middle of an apocalypse where zombies could kill you.
It's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Anyway, now that's done and over with. The copyrights, actually, there's only 2 copyrights in this game, basically. Alright, I'm going to show you one of them.
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping.
Okay, well, actually, no. There's 3 copyrights. Wait. There's actually 4 copyrights. So okay, I'm not going to spoil them all, but through this playthrough, you will hear the copyrights. If YouTube says stop like doing the copyrights, then I'll stop. I'll just turn down the volume or have no volume at all and just have the character speaking. But let's go.
God, I love shopping.
I have a lot of medals. Yes, I know. I was stocking them up for costumes. Some are interesting because this one's a bunny costume. Didn't get that. Sure, some of these are from famous anime since this is a Japanese game, and no, I didn't get it actually from Japan. I got it from America. And the thing is, if you beat this game on hard mode, I think you can unlock the Japanese version, the Japanese voiceovers. So it would be nice. It would be nice to actually hear that. But I don't want to buy no threads right now. Let's buy some awesome skills. Buy
Click, click.
brutal cut. Oh wait, that's all the ones I already have.
What should I get?
Lollipop, copter. Let me get that butt attack. Let me get the bug attack.
should I get?
already upgraded her to like full, like maximum. So no reason to upgrade her more. But there's nothing in the health shop where you can upgrade and do all these other things, all these other cool things. And I will start doing like a series where how to tell you to beat the boss. I'm not a pro, but I can't tell you how to like do this like certain times. If you do this a certain amount of times, you'll beat the guy. So you won't have to, you know, struggle and find out. Well, that is the fun of games. If you want to find out, shut up, Juliet. If you want to find out how to beat the boss, that's on your record. It's actually fun to do that.
What should I get?
Let me just get the helicopter. Okay.
Oh?
Yeah, if you heard that Lollipop song, those are one of the Okay, that's funny. Okay, Okay, Lollipop is one of the copyrights, and that's all I gotta say. If you remember that song, it was off of a laptop commercial once.
Get out of my way! I'm in a hurry!
Ah, butt attack. Butt attack. Yeah, well, I'm sorry if Juliet's fully upgraded and totally beating people up and killing them with one hit. That's not my fault. I have a serious buying problem and upgrading problem with games. So don't blame this on me. Blame it on video games, okay? Don't blame it on video games. Blame it on the collection, because I'm like, I collect things on video games. I like really, really collect things. I look for things and I collect them. Like coins, I collect coins all over the place because I have some weird OCD with video games. I need to collect everything. So, bet you my friends are texting me right now, and my little sister, Kiki, my gaming partner. Hopefully I can see her this weekend. Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna show you it. I don't know. I forgot how to do it. I forgot. This? Oh yeah. Like that. 4. I get like, 5. And if you remember this song, I applaud you. Because this is an actual old song that they inputted in here. And every time you use the super, or as I call it, the rainbow chainsaw attack, or the rainbow chainsaw upgrade, you will hear, Mickey, I guess that's what the song is called. I forgot what it was called. But I had it on my iPod, so it was fun. I liked it. I don't know if y'all can hear me over the beating of zombies, but if I look it over, and if y'all can't, I will, on the next episode, I will do, like, I will turn it down, but for this moment, I don't even know if it's an hour. It's 13 minutes, so this probably won't be an hour because my phone can actually, like, it has maximum space for certain things, and that's all I can say.
Stay back! Get off! No!
Zombie's not dead.
Technically you are, but you gotta die again, so, hey, let me kill you. Hey, I'm Rage Bunnyz, and I would like to be your, new zombie hunter killer today. And just to put you, get off of me. Ouch. I just kicked him in the, ow. I think zombies can't feel that, so I think that's good. Well, look, I'm cruel because you're a zombie. If you're I'm a human, you're a zombie, I'm fighting for my life, so. Okay. Cool. Alright, let's do this! You're on school property. You can't be doing this. Got butt attack. Oh, wow. The butt attack is actually useful. Look at this. Butt attack. Oh, man, I missed. Okay. If you use a butt attack and hit him with, I guess, a Y? Yeah, if you hit him with a Y, they actually die. Oh, wow. Yeah, if you hit him with a Y, they'll die. It's like if you just hold X and do a butt bump, and then press Y, they'll die instantly. Your pro tip for the day from Rage Bunny.
Oh, Nick, please be okay.
Oh, Nick, please be dead. It's not my fault I hate Nick. He should have died. There's no... Okay, look at this. There's
Nick?
no way that he could survive this.
Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet! Ah! Ah!
Yeah, you should have just smashed his head in while you had the chance.
Shit!
And there goes his lower torso.
You okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean?
You're gonna die, Nick. It's okay. Just close your eyes and die.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck. I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Okay, I'm looking at his teeth right now and he looks
I
like a
know it's
vampire.
stupid. We just started getting serious, but
See,
word. I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Oh, ain't that sweet? Well, that's the end of the game. Hope you enjoyed. The other parts were DLC,
No.
so...
There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby.
Ooh, I bet that hurt. Well, look.
Huh?
I'm loving it.
Alright.
Awesome.
So, like I was about to say... Next one is the high school, anyway. I was about to say, Oh, yeah. Hi, Mom and Dad from New Jersey. How are you doing? And hi to all my relatives out there if you're watching this. All to my cousins, all to my grandparents, all to everybody. To say hi. From Rage Bunnyz. You know my real name, but I just feel like saying my name on YouTube. Anyway. Let's start. With the, this. Yeah, let's go. So, like I said, he's been bitten. There's no way. Okay, it still didn't come up yet, but he's been bitten. When you're bitten, I would have just shot him right there, like, oh snap, he's bitten. Some people say, oh, I can't do it. Oh well.
Nick.
Oh. Julia? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Julia, I'm not a zombie. Not at all.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
Oh, no.
But one small problem. You're just the head.
Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Ah, God. Where's my fucking body? Oh, fuck.
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I
Hey, that's not my fault, bub.
A magical ritual on your head was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah!
Let's cut up some zombies. Alright, so like I said, there is...
Come on! What the fuck is going...
Did I press something?
Not here! Hey, it's making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacid later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie?
I'm just saying I like this song. It's like what you sing in high school or High School Musical at lunchtime. You just start breaking down. Like they do on my lip gloss and talking and all that. That's what it reminds me of. Like just breaking out, beating and all that in high school. High school. Still in high school too. I'm an 11th grader, if you haven't noticed. Not really. I have 2 more years, but it's okay. It's okay. What is this? Oh yeah, like I said, there is no way that he could survive that. Like cutting off a head, performing a magical ritual. I'm glad they explained the whole magical ritual thing, but the fact that he's still alive, like he's a keychain or something on your butt. I don't know, it's just weird. Let's go.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of
Alright, let's do it. Get off of me.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I hate when zombies do that. So. And... white blow. Oh yeah, I forgot. A are lower attacks. Y is a... I'm gonna stun them first. It's fun to stun. Another rhyming word that you will know. It's fun to stun. That should be my slogan. It's fun to stun. Alright, so we're battling Zelekians. Oh, there's one more left. Hey, what's up? Anyway. Like I said, we're battling Zelekians. If you don't know what Zelekians are, I just made them up. They're like mostly zombies in every game. They're like these aliens that come... They're like zombies. They're zombies. They're not aliens. They're like zombies. So I'm defeating Zelekians right now. They're zombies.
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit!
They're zombies. They are zombies that, like, take over. Like, they never stop. They never stop coming.
Don't worry. I'll take care of them.
Leave me alone! Get away!
Oh, wait. I was about to say he's kicking some major butt there. But, you know, some people have limits. That's all I gotta say. Everybody has a limit. So, let me just... oh, snap. Let me just save this guy. I forgot about him. I forgot! Don't kill him! Don't kill him! Don't kill him! No! Stop it! Stop. Back up! Back up. Wait. Alright, select Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a piggy by the toe. If you ran a low, yo. Oh, back there.
Awesome.
Alright,
You're hot.
the Nick Popper.
Nick Popper.
Let's pop some zombies. Wow, they even have it on here. Okay, is that it? Die. I don't even know if this is a copyright. Sounds like an original song. Don't tell me there's zombies somewhere. Die. I know I'm supposed to go in there, but let me collect the lollipop for it. I said force. Can I not talk today?
Let's go hang out after school.
I don't feel like hanging out with you, creep. Alright. Do it! Oh god. Oh, well, she's dead anyway, so I thought I was gonna save her. I always think I'm gonna save her, but she's dead anyway. So much for Juliet the zombie hunter, right? Okay, let me get out of here. There was supposed to be, like... Where is he at?
I fucked up my math test. I need help.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again.
Okay, let me do a butt attack.
He gave me a D last week to kill him.
I missed it. I can't get a butt... Okay, let me stop these two from trying to kill him. Oh, snap! Woo! Woohoo! 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 Okay, why did I do Mario? I do not know. I missed it again for the sake of my job. Ah, snap. You know what? I would be... If this was real, if zombies were real, I would have been awesome at... I would be awesome at zombie hunting and killing zombies. So, guess what happens? This guy got a bomb! Boom! Epic. All we need is Tom Cruise.
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
No, really, Nick? Really, Nick?
I never thought I'd be saved by someone with such great tits.
I swear everybody's a pervert. Everybody's a pervert in this game. I guess I'm supposed to go. Oh yeah, that's where the explosion happens. So let's go. And there goes the cops. Okay.
Whoa, that was close.
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
Oh, that'll make the 5 o'clock news, huh, Nick? Okay, am I supposed to still go over there? Like I said, I sometimes have no recollection of what am I supposed to do. Okay, I'm not supposed to go over there. I guess I'm supposed to keep on walking there. Come on. My controller is acting up like crazy because it stops running or walking when it's so stupid. My controller's stupid, everybody. I'm sorry.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick, we need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Did you not just hear a word I said, boy? Okay, wait, let me collect this. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm gonna end it when I get to this barrier. Ah, snap. I messed up. That's my first time ever messing up.
This feels weird. Blue stuff.
Yay, wave your hand like you just don't care. Hey,
I'm drooling. Nick, look. If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Yeah, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. So, like, favorite, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed, and share. Just comment to give me on suggestions of what I should do for my next video, and I'm actually trying to not be lazy at recording YouTube videos. I made t-shirts also. Forgot to mention, I make t-shirts. And, if you want a t-shirt, yeah. That's about it. So, see you Zelekians later, and I will be arriving with more Lollipop Chainsaw, whatever game I can find. So, catch you on the flip side. See ya. Peace out. Rage Bunnyz out.